Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I bring the courses that are related to the hospitality and the hotel. And in this website, the entire courses are cover up. That means everything like beverage, culinary arts and hotel management, service, like that all topic are included in this video and in this course. So guys, stay connected and watch full video so that you will not miss any things that are helpful for you. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming videos. So now we'll move on to the website. See here, this is the website, and first I will tell you about the course, what are the courses available, and then I will tell you that how you can enroll in this course and enjoy this study. Okay, see here the topic that are covered in these courses: beverage, business, compliance, culinary art, hotel management and service. And link for this website I will share on the description part, so don't worry about it. First I will tell you that under each topic what are the courses available and their duration. So first we will go to the beverage. So under beverage these courses are available. See here: rum cocktail, tea mastery, draft beer operation, vodka cocktail, tea fundamentals. That means every drink videos here, so it will be helpful for you to learn about these drinks. So next we will go to the business. So under business these are the courses. See here, the first one is optimizing your hospitality business, profit and loss essential, improving hospitality, the art of menu engineering, writing 101, better food cost management, Instagram for hospitality business, social media for hospitality business. So these are the courses under business. Now we'll move on to the compliance. So under compliance these are the courses. See here: COVID-19 hygienic clinic practice, diversity, equity and inclusion, GDPR, COVID-19 responsibility, health and well-being, alcohol awareness, WHS personal protective, food allergy, WHS sleep, trips and falls, and manual handling, workplace bullying and harassment. So these are the compliance courses. Next we will move on to the culinary art. So under this, these four courses are available. See here: the pastry fundamentals, mission place, food safety and hygiene, kitchen leadership for executive chefs. And now we'll move on to the hotel. So these are the courses under hotel: front desk upselling, front desk check-in and check-out, housekeeping appliance application and housekeeping principles. So now we'll move on to the management. So under management these are the courses: COVID-19 business restart for manager, recruitment and onboarding, introduction to leadership, rostering management, training fundamentals, introduction to hospitality management, effective communication with staff. These are the management course. Now we'll move on to the service. So under service these are the courses: guest experience fundamentals, sales technique for food and beverage, customer experiential service, hosting, front of house essential, delivering passionate, table service fundamental, exercise tip for hospitality worker, body language basic, teaching sales skill to server, time management for server. So these are the courses available under each topics. And guys, these courses are totally free and certification also provided for these courses. Now I will tell you that how to go for enroll option. So first we have to go for sign up option, because we are new to this website. So we'll go to the sign up option, click on it. So now you have to select the plan. If you are individual person, go to the individual plan, and if you are planning for business, then go to the business plan. And if you are academic person, then you will go to the academic plan. So I am an individual person, that's why I go to the individual plan option. So I will choose it, choose plan. After that it will ask for, see here, the notification, this support plan for COVID-19 and free subscription available until 30 September. And guys, one more thing, this subscription will be extended also, so don't get panic, try on it, because this video will be available for long term, and many of you watch after 30 September and might be you get panic that now will not get this free subscription. So first go to the website and try it, because due to the COVID-19, the plan is extending on each website, so it may be also extended. So don't give up and go for the website and see the content. Okay, so now here tipsy for you. What are the plan here? Free forever, this one is free forever plan. Next one is Tipsy Pro monthly, that will cost 9.99 USD dollar per month. And next one is the Pro annual, that is 8.33 USD per month. So when the subscription freely available, you can select any one plan. For 1 month it will be free, and then it will charge the amount. So I will go to the free forever option. So select it, then go to the get started. So now first we have to choose login option. You can sign up with your email address or Google ID, LinkedIn ID, Facebook ID, Windows ID, that is Microsoft, and the Apple ID. So I will go to the Google ID option. I will select the Google. Now I will select my profile. So after selecting your profile, then this page will be open, and tick on it, then create account. So it say welcome to the Tipsy, and it said a confirmation link on your Gmail ID. So go to your Gmail ID and confirm that link. See here, it's so here confirmation link. First I will confirm this link. Here you are all set up. Click on this option, login. Then this page will be open. Then login again. I already selected the Google ID, that's why I'll go to the login for Google account. It will ask for sign in. I'll select my profile. See here now, my account is open. After that it will ask for your current job role. If you are a student, you can type your work name or profile name, that your current job role. I'm a student, that's why I will select student. See here, student academic, and jobs you are interested in learning about. What are the job that you are planning to do, that you can select it, otherwise leave it. And what does the working in hospitality mean to you? Our job on site just because, or my dream career, or the best job that I'm traveling around the world. You can select second one. I select the second one, my dream career. Then I'll go to the save option. So here now it show the each courses that are available free. See here under hotel, next under culinary, then management, then see here service, then see here compliance, beverage, that are drink, business. So these are the category, and you can select any course that you want to do. I will select any one. For example, if I want to do business under the hotel, then I will go to the business category, and I will select I want to know about the profit and loss. So I'll go to this option, click on it. See here, it is started.
In this lesson, we'll go through a short introduction to the P&L statement. We will cover what the P&L is, the terms that you'll hear when talking about the.
So in this way you can learn. See here top, these are the lessons. First is the welcome profit and loss essential, and complete this lesson, and last take a quiz, and you will get the certificate after completing all these. So qualify on quiz and get the certificate for these free courses. And I hope guys this video will be helpful for you. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll not miss the update of any upcoming video. And if you like our video, please hit the like button and share this video to your friend circle. And if you have any further question or query, then you can ask me on comment section. And if you have any suggestion regarding any courses related to these or others, then you can also comment below and tell me that. I will make the video on that course and provide you free information on that. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day. Thank you so much for watching our video.